Hey guys, it's David with the Barbecue Lab, and today I want to show you a favorite from our house that we like to make on game day called Bacon Tot Skewers. This recipe is simple, but it is delicious. This is the one that if you bring it to a party, you never take leftovers home. So it's really simple to make. I want to go ahead and have the camera get in here close so you can see how we put it together. All right, so this is a really simple recipe. All you need is a strip of bacon, 8 tater tots, and your favorite barbecue rub. All we're going to do is take our strip of bacon, put it on the skewer. We're going to follow it with a tater tot. Now these are frozen tater tots, but we've let them thaw just a little bit so we can get them on the skewer rather easily. Now if you let them thaw too far, the thing you're going to find is that they are going to fall apart on you. So you don't want to let them thaw too far. About a half hour is good. After each tater tot, we're going to take the strip of bacon, we're going to wrap it around. Next tater tot, we're going to shove them down a little bit, then a little bacon on top. And we'll just keep doing this until we have it all the way through for 8 different tater tots per skewer. Now these skewers are rather long, so that these fit 8 tater tots. So depending on the size of skewer, you might want to use a half piece of bacon, or you might want to use just fewer tater tots. But it is adaptable to what you have on hand. But it's really simple. Just keep alternating tater tot and bacon. And with any recipe that has tater tots and bacon, how in the world can you go wrong? Now, through the magic of video editing, we're going to go ahead and make it so you don't have to watch all 8 of these. But let's go ahead and get to the end. Okay, now that is put together, the only thing we have to do is season it, and I'm going to use my itty-bitty little thumb grinder here. I've got some of our sweet and spicy barbecue rub in the bottom, and all I'm going to do is just season this up with a little barbecue rub on top. I love that this puts a fine little grind on top, and this is going to give it a little flavor while it cooks. All right, and that's it. We've got our 8 tater tots and our strip of bacon and some barbecue rub on a stick. All we have to do now is put this on a grill. Now, we have tailgating on the mind since this is football season, so we're gonna go ahead and use this portable pellet grill behind us. This is the A-Smoke A300, and you can use this at tailgate, you can use this at your backyard, you could use this camping. It's made to be a portable pellet grill. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this up to 400 degrees, and we're gonna put our bacon tot skewers on for about 20 minutes. All right, all we gotta do is get this on the pit. Now, one of the secrets is going to be not moving these while these cook, because these tater tots need to go ahead and get nice and crispy before we move them. So we want to make sure that we're not moving these around the whole time that we cook. All right, we've got them on the pit. We're gonna close this in 20 minutes. We're gonna show you what they look like. All right, so we got the bacon tot skewer off the grill, and this is what the payoff looks like. You're able to get those tots crispy and that bacon crispy as well. The rub adheres to the outside and crisps up. These things are delicious. You've got to give these a try. Now, these things are smoking hot, and I should not take a bite, but I'm going to anyway in the name of science. So, if the company who is here laughs, that's what the laugh track you hear in the background is. But let's give it a go. Oh, hot. All right, it's good. You guys got to give this a go. 8 tater tots, 1 strip of bacon, a little barbecue rub, and some heat. You got a winning football appetizer. So this is David from the Barbecue Lab. Thanks for watching us. We can't wait to see you next time. Do all the things, subscribe, like, join us on social. Can't wait to see you out there. Okay, it's good. You guys got to give this a go. 1 strip of bacon, 8 tater tots. My timer's going off. All right.